Hi and welcome back to my course on Spring Boot. In this lesson, I'll be showing how to integrate Thymeleaf with Spring Security. For this, you must include this package in your application, in your build.gradle file. Most probably you already have it if you follow the course so far. This will add a few extra features to Spring Security and to Thymeleaf so that they work properly together. I created another controller. Let's call it page controller, which has one simple endpoint /page.html. And in our security configuration, I added page.html to permit all, so that this page is accessible by all users, regardless if they are logged in or not. And I have this HTML file here, which is a Thymeleaf template, which has a few interesting features. If we look at the source code, we'll see that I have one div here that is visible by everybody, a div that I only want to be visible by users that have the administrator role, another div that is visible by users that have the user role, an URL which is only visible by users that are not logged in, and another URL that is only visible by users that are logged in. These features are very useful if you want, for example, to create a menu where you want some elements to be visible only by certain people. For example, you want the login button to be visible only for users that are not currently logged in, the logout button only for users that are logged in, and different pages from the menu to only be visible by administrators or by users. For this, Thymeleaf offers a few very useful utilities. There is the sec authorize utility that has authority, and similarly to the one in Spring Security, we use the role that we want to provide. For example, if we use role admin, this element will only be visible by administrators, and role user will only be visible by users. Again, secAuthorize offers an isAuthenticated method, which will return true if the current user is authenticated in our application. And we can use this to restrict elements only to users that are logged in or not. Now, if we run our application, let's see what happens. It's currently compiling, and now if we go to our browser, let's go to page.html. As you can see, we have the element that is visible by everybody and the one that is visible only for users that are not authenticated. Now, if we log in, let's have admin, and let's go back to page.html. We see again that we have the element that is visible by everybody, the element that is visible only by administrators, and the element visible only by authenticated users. Now we can just press the logout button and we get redirected back to the login page. As you can see, it is very easy to integrate Spring Security and Thymeleaf. It offers a lot of very useful features, and it's easy to understand and easy to use. Thanks for watching. This only just scratches the surface on Thymeleaf and Spring Security. Later in the course, we'll be looking at how to have cross-site request forgery tokens so that we can guarantee that the information that is received is coming from our application and not from another source. This either using directly the form, which Spring Security and Thymeleaf automatically include, or using the headers and metadata. But this in a later course. I hope this lesson is useful, and I hope I'll see you again later in the course, where we'll be combining everything we learned so far to actually create an application. Up until now, we only created simple elements that don't integrate with one another. We learned how to build them, but we didn't create an actual application. What we want to do is create an online shop. And later in the course, we'll be combining everything that we learned so that we have a working prototype. Thanks for watching and hope I'll see you again next time.